Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Ultimate Fashion Destination. In this video, we are bringing you an exclusive look at the latest and greatest Kaftan designs, setting the trend for 2023. Whether you are a fashion enthusiast or trendsetter or simply looking to elevate your style game, this video is a must watch. From intricate embroidery to vibrant prints, our style experts have curated a collection of the most stunning and on trend kaftan designs from around the world. We will take you on a visual journey through these exquisite garments, highlighting the unique features and detailing to make each piece a work of art. So, friends, stay in the loop with the fashion world and get inspired by these fabulous kaftan designs that are making waves in 2023. Don't miss out the chance to upgrade your wardrobe with these must have pieces. So, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and let's dive into the latest trends in kaftan designs together. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.